Alright, I'm gonna make a quick video. I'm getting my J35 throttle body ready so I could throw it in my 2006 Honda Civic Si. And instead of buying the little valve adapter, I went to AutoZone and I picked up this little transmission cooler line fitting, 5/16. There's the part number. All I did was use a 7/16 drill bit and drill this out, and then I used a 1/2" NF20, so we can focus on that, to thread this out. Now that I have it nice and tapped, it screws on. There it is. Now the sucker's ready to be thrown back on. I don't have the thermal gaskets for it though. I do have the original gasket for the RBC, and it has this port blocked on my throttle body spacer. It doesn't have this blocked, and because the way this throttle body is, it will be exposing the bottom. I'll show you real quick. So this is the original gasket for the J35, and it just goes like that. It doesn't go like that, but it goes like that. Then this is the Z3 throttle body. See? And look at this port right here. Boom. Opening. So I could install this right here behind the spacer. That's gonna block that port. And then I could use the same gasket that I have here for this one. Or maybe even just throw this one on. That way we get a nice, good seal. And it's the correct fitting for the opening. It's like that. Anyways, just wanted to make a quick video of how I'm getting this prepped. What I'm gonna do before I tie this down, I'm actually gonna put some Teflon tape on it. Where's my Teflon tape? Here it is. And then put it on there. I think what I'm gonna do, I shouldn't have to do anything to this. I could probably leave this open. This is where the sensor goes, right there. Ties down right there. Doesn't fit anymore because I poured it out. And so for this, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. I mean, it won't pass through, but there's a possibility air might get through it. And as you can see, that one too is ported out. So I don't know if I'm gonna probably put some Teflon tape on this as well and just screw this on there, just so I can have extra blockage. But anyways, just wanted to show that I'm getting my J35 throttle body ready to throw into the Civic. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.